As a customer, our initial impression on Propel Industries is that it is still a relatively new brand in the Malaysian market. But the professionalism of the business development team, the product build quality and extensive range of products gave us a big confidence boost. The Propel team listened carefully to our needs and provided a cost-effective and tailored solution. The design and application teams were highly knowledgeable, ensuring a clear understanding of technical benefits and our expected ROI. During our visit to Propel's factory in Coimbatore, India, they have demonstrated their manufacturing excellence, the productivity and high build quality, and hence our trust in Propel's commitment to support its customers in different markets and regions. This Propel TMJ811 mobile jaw crusher has performed as promised with a high productivity and benefits already evident. Propel's after-sales support included training, seamless commissioning, and a strong local support network has been exceptional. Overall, Propel Industries has proven to be a reliable partner. They focus on customer success with high standards, support, and a commitment to growth alongside their customers.